Hi, I'm Chef D, and this is Cooking with Confidence. You ever go to a restaurant and order broccoli or green beans, and you find that their green beans and broccoli is so bright green and beautiful, and sometimes when you cook it at home, it seems to be overcooked or it's sort of a grayish color? Well, there's a technique that they're doing. It's called blanching, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to blanch your green vegetables. Okay, here it is. So the first thing I did was I cut up some broccoli into florets, like small pieces like such. And I'm going to put it into this boiling water right here. And I'm literally going to cook this for maybe 10 to 15 seconds, not even that. I'm going to cook it for as long as it just gets, I'm going to cook it for a little bit because I want it to cook through, yes, but I'm going to actually cook it a second time. So all I'm doing right now is I am getting this bright green color to stay green as it is. And I'm going to take it out now and put it into what's called an ice bath, which is a combination of ice and a little bit of water. So that will actually shock the vegetables and stop the cooking process from continuing. And that is how you maintain a bright green color on your green vegetables. So I'm doing it all here. And once these are nice and cool, once these have stopped cooking and then the ice starts to melt, you can drain them and put them on a paper towel to dry, to block some of that water. And you can put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the refrigerator, and you'll always have them for the week. Or you can do what I'm going to do now is quickly do a quick saute with some garlic right here in this pan. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, just a little bit. My pan is hot and ready for me. It's ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of this. I took 2 garlic cloves and I sliced them up nice and thin. I'm going to add that to the pan. Just going to give my broccoli a little bit of flavor, that's all. And if you don't like the garlic, but you want the flavor of the garlic, that's fine too. This is the way to accomplish that. Just get the flavor of the oil. You can always fish out the garlic pieces later on if you don't like the garlic, but who doesn't love garlic, right? So that's cooking up nicely for about maybe 5 to 10 seconds. That's going. And now I'm just going to add my broccoli, which I have already blanched. Lower my temperature just a little bit because I don't want the garlic to burn before this actually cooks all the way through. I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt, just a little, and instead of putting black pepper in my vegetables, sometimes I put a little red pepper flakes that's been crushed. So I actually buy red pepper flakes. I crush them up and I put them back in my container. And so it's just a nicer flavor than black pepper all the time. It's something different. It's a little spicy. I like it like that. Yeah, I'm a spicy girl. Anyway, this is pretty much almost done cooking. All we're doing is heating it through. When we cooked it in the water before, when we blanched it, it kind of half cooked it anyway. So now this is ready to go. So all I'm going to do now is, yeah, that's really beautiful. And that's ready to go. I like my vegetables to be a little al dente. I don't like to be overcooked. That way all the vitamins and nutrients stay in the vegetable, and it's so delicious that way. So this is it. So now you can do it. How easy was that, right? You can blanch your vegetables. You can also blanch carrots. It doesn't have to be, and cauliflower. You don't have to just do green vegetables. You can do anything that you want to have cook. And later on, just flash it in a pan and then you're done for the day, right? So this is it. D. Lennox, also known as Chef D. And this is Cooking with Confidence. I'll see you next time.